Hello, guys. My name is Henry, and I'm starting this YouTube channel to document my trading journey to become a profitable trader. Um, I've been trading, you could say, about 2 years now. I've been doing trading in the Forex market. I've seen some success, I've seen some not success, blown accounts, lots of money. Uh, so now I feel like I'm a better trader. Less emotions, very less greed, very less emotions in general. So I want to document my trading journey, and I want to be able to grow a small account, a very small account, and show you guys that it's possible. So I deposit some money into this into trade locker, into a broker, and it's around what, around $53. As you can see, there's no trades taken, no nothing. So this I'm gonna show you the pairs that I've been looking into for this week or potential next week. So yeah, let's get started. The first pair that I've been looking into is Euro USD. You can see that price has become bearish after it was bullish. Price is now bearish from after we broke the last structure point. We closed underneath this last higher low, so technically price is now bearish in the daily time frame, which this will indicate that this is the lower high. And this will be the lower low. Oh. So what I notice is that every time price comes to this area, it pushes up, and then every time it's underneath, it sells. So I'm waiting to see if price comes back up to this, how it reacts around this area before it has a sell down. The 4 hour, we kind of are starting to have that retracement. So you see price started to move higher. So in the 4 hour, price is a little bit bullish after creating this double bottom. So I want to see how price reacts from this area to continue the sell down or something like this. So that's Euro USD. My next one that I'm interested in looking is Euro JPY. Same thing, price has this area of support. Every time price comes up, hits that area, massive buy side to upside, comes back down, retest this area. We have a massive buy side to upside. So now price is maybe it's gonna continue all the way down. I want to see if there's an entry opportunity around this area, because we have a daily fair value gap right around here. So I want to see if price comes to hit this area one more time before we have the sell down. So that's something I'm looking into. I want to see something push up, hit here before we start having the push down. Continue with the push down. Next one I'm looking into is the USD JPY. Same thing with this one. Turn this one off real quick. Every time price has this area of resistance up here. Every time price comes up, it has a massive sell down, comes back up, sell. We broke up out this, but then we just came back and went right underneath it, came back up, rejected from this area, sell down. Now we're back up here, retesting this area. So I want to see how it reacts from this area. The daily time frame, if price continues to sell down and closes with a bearish engulfing candle, we could potentially see something for a retrace for a small retrace up here one more time before we continue to sells to the downside. In the 4 hour, we don't have much. What I'm hoping price could do, the market could do anything it wants to do. Let's create a left at right shoulder, oh, something like that before we continue to the sell. So sells down to the downside. So yeah, that will be that one. Then I have also GBP USD. This one is kind of interesting also because we have this area of support and resistance. Every time price underneath it sells. Every time price is above our buys. So right now we technically did close underneath this last structure point, but I want to see how price reacts because we do have this, like I said, this daily fair value gap that I want to see get wicked into it before we continue with the sales to the downside. So potentially something like this. Who knows, may continue pushing up, but I want to see something like that before we go into this trade. Technically right now price is coming back to this area, so I'm waiting for it to see what happens. Right now it's 3 o'clock, so maybe for London session and New York session tomorrow. So that's that. Next we have NZD USD. It's another market that I'm really looking into it. Same thing, we have this area of resistance and support. Every time price underneath it sells, every time price is above it pushes up. So we've broken the structure. As you can tell, we were just creating lower lows and lower highs. For now, technically we're broken underneath this last what would you say, lower high. Now we're continuing with the now we're continuing with creating another lower low. So now we're having the retest around this area, since we do have a daily fair value gap too. So I want to see how price reacts from this area, which we're coming up to right now. Where's that? Right now we're in New York session. So I want to see how it comes back up until it closes and reacts from that area before having a nice sell down. So I'm looking for something like this. My stop will be above this fair value gap in case price does want to come back up and retest this, something like this, before price continues to have sells to the downside. So that'll be that. These are the pairs that I'm also looking into it, but potentially this one potentially is for the buys. I look at what I've seen is that it already come to this area, retest, wicked into this area, but I want to see a candle close around this area before having to move up. So I still gotta wait for that one. This one looks like it's coming back down now. Same thing. I want to see a candle close around this area before having to move up. So I want to still wait for those. This one has already sell, so technically I don't know if it's gonna come back to this area this week or next week. Same thing with this one, NZD cat. I want to see price come back up to this area in the 4 hour. We're still kind of long ways, maybe for tomorrow, hopefully next week. I'm not 100% sure when this will have the move. And the last one is EuroCAD. What is EuroCAD doing? Same thing, we broke in the last structure point. We're technically bearish now. 4 hour. We are starting to reject probably a double top around this area, but I don't see no bearish engulfing for me to confirm or enter this trade. So I just gotta wait and see. This is the other trades that I was looking into it, but it looks like the move already happened. You can see this would have been for a 1 to 2. I see this wick. I'm pretty sure there was a fair value up, a 4 hour. Yep, 4 hour fair value up right around this area. Actually, let me show you. Oh. Yep, there was a 4 hour fair value up around this area. Price came to wicked into it before having to move down, continuing to move down. And also this one. I was waiting for this one to have another retest around this area of support and resistance, but it looks like it's already having the move, already had the move down. There was a, what is this? There was probably 1 hour fair value up around this area, which price came back and retested in London session. So now it's had the move down already for a 1 to 3. So those are the markets that I've been looking into it. I might keep analyzing some more markets today to see what's going on in these areas and other markets, but for now, these are the 5 markets that I'm really interested in for this week. Hopefully it happen this week, hopefully they don't. It don't really matter. Trading is a waiting game. You just gotta be patient for price to come back to this area that you know mark down. You did your analysis, so hopefully that and come along for this journey. Yeah, subscribe, and I'll continue to upload more videos, and have a good one.